Alright guys, we're going to be learning about the random item generator. So to start out, I have a Kodu or a rover here, and if you push space with him, he'll scan. I chose to use this guy because I wanted just to show you how the scanning thing works. But if you push space, he scans, he gets near the rock then does something and spawns 3 things. So that's the last I need to use of him. So that spawned 3 random items. Looks like a green apple, some ammo, and a yellow star. If I push F1, now I'm the motorcycle. This rock, if it hears my Kodu, it randomly spawns some stuff and disappears. So we got the star, the coin, and some ammo. Here we go. I'm going to bump into this thing. It's a tree. It randomly spawned a coin. Oh, spawned a couple more coins. So I got 4 coins out of this one. A red, a yellow, a green, and a blue coin. We'll go over here to this thing. I think this is just another rock. I think I bumped this one. Let's find out. That one didn't spawn anything at all. Okay, let's try this one. I'm gonna bump into this guy here. He spawned 3 blocks of ammo. 4 blocks of ammo. No, 3. 4. 4. Okay, now let's shoot this tree. And it should do some spawning for us. It spawned a star, an apple, and a coin. Alright, well, you may think that, oh, well, it's always going to spawn the exact same thing. Well, let's do a little test on this to make sure that that's not what's actually happening. So let's put the Kodu right closer to this tree here. And let's bump into it. Last time we got 4 coins. Let's see what we get this time. We got nothing. Nothing. 0. Try again. Last time we got nothing. What do we get this time? This time we get 2 coins. Alright, so there, I proved it to you. These things can actually spawn different things. Alright, let's take a look at what it looks like for the code. What's the code look like on this? There's no real special code on the rover, just, you know, regular working. Let's take a look at the tree. It says when it's bumped by a cycle, switch to page 2. So let's go look at page 2. And so here's how it works. After 3 seconds, right here, after a random amount of time, so it's going to destroy itself. So the tree's only going to last in between 1 and 3 seconds randomly. So it says timer 1, random 3. So in between the seconds of 1 and 3 randomly, so it could last 1 second, it could last 2 seconds, it could last 3 seconds, but at the end it's going to destroy itself. Okay? Now it says it can, in between 1 and 3 seconds, it can create a coin and color it green, and then it'll destroy itself. Okay, so if the tree happens to destroy itself at 1 second, and one of these coins didn't happen to spawn, let's say this one right here, let's say one was going to spawn at 3 seconds, and the rest of them were going to spawn at 1, but the tree only lasted 2 seconds, this one right here would never spawn, and then the other 3 would. So you can just kind of play around with it. Use timer and then a couple of options. So if you were to crank it up and make it 10 seconds, the odds of it spawning a green coin would be a lot lower because the tree's only going to last for 3 seconds. So however, if you wanted to make it where it's more likely to drop even more coins, you could make the tree last longer. So then the tree lasts for 10 seconds. Then it's probably going to spawn all the coins because it's got enough time in there to do it. But so you can kind of play around with that and see how that works. But this tree only spawned coins. If we come over here and look at this other tree, this one, basically the same. You bump into it, it goes to page 2. In between 1 and 3 seconds, it will spawn a green ammo. And then if you notice right here, I did the codes 2, 3, and 4. They're all yellow ammo. So it's more likely that this tree is going to drop yellow ammo, and green ammo is going to be more rare. There's more chances for it to drop a yellow ammo than it is for it to drop a green ammo. Okay. This one, I'll just show you because of the scanning feature. It says when it's scanned, and that's an ability that the rover has. When it's scanned, it can 1 to 3 seconds drop an apple or an ammo or a star or a coin. So, and yellow, blue, yada yada. And we'll look at this last tree here. Oops. The last tree says, if you shoot me, switch to page 2. So that maybe you wanted them to chop down the tree, they had to go hit it or something. You can do whatever you want for the win. 1 to 2 seconds, spawn a green apple. But you notice on this one I didn't put a once. So it could actually spawn several green apples. Then 1 to 5 seconds, spawn some blue ammo. 1 to 5 seconds, spawn a star. 1 to 3 seconds, spawn a yellow coin. Alright guys, so that should be it for the random item. Have a good day.